It is July 13th and I decided to get another zucchini plant going for the second half of this growing season, and I did not separate or pinch off the extra plant that was in here. I'm going to try to manage issues that may occur from overcrowding by pinching off the leaves as this plant grows to give it some good aeration. But what I wanted to show you was one of the reasons why you need to inspect your plants on a regular basis. If you take a look here, these are some eggs that a pest laid on the leaf, and as I was inspecting it, I found some more on the backside of this one here. So if you check your plants out on a regular basis, you can find problems such as that before they start to affect your plant. I also saw a couple of squash bugs out here, and I'm going to be on the lookout. I tend not to use any kind of powders or chemicals. I'm out in my garden all the time, and I prefer to spend a little extra time doing that and not use chemicals. I will use them if necessary, but I tend not to like to use anything. Sevin dust is something that many gardeners recommend, and if you want to deal with your squash bugs and these whatever these eggs are here, I'm sure that would be a great way to do it. Now, you may also notice these eggshells. I am not doing this to provide a source of calcium in the short term. I had a bunch of eggshells, and I just, on the way to the compost, decided to toss them in here. Typically, the way I provide calcium for my plants is I take various supplements, and a couple of years ago I had bought some calcium supplements, and you can add that to your plants in two ways, probably more ways, but two ways that I know of. One would be to put I have it in tablet form. You can put it here at the base of the plant, or you can dissolve it and water the soil, or you can put it in a sprayer and you can spray the leaves. The reason for calcium is that it is an important macronutrient for them. It provides strength to the structure of the plant. I've heard that it's also good for reducing the potential for fungal issues, and it is definitely a great product to use, a natural ingredient to use, excuse me, for blossom end rot. So again, wanted to point out these eggs here. I don't know if that's some kind of, I don't know what it is. All I know is that it's got to go. So just a reminder, check your plants on a regular basis.